This video is about significant figures. Now, a figure or a digit in a number is important if it tells us about the quantity or accuracy of this number. And when you're trying to work out how many significant figures there are in a number, you use two simple rules. One, start counting from the first non-zero. And two, in whole numbers, be careful about placeholding zeros. We'll talk a little bit more about that second rule when we get to the last three examples. So let's start on these three here. So how many significant figures are there in each number? So I start counting from the first non-zero and keep going. So I've got 1, 2, 3. So I got 3 there. Okay. Next example, start counting from the first non-zero. So these two don't count, but these two do. So I've got 1, 2. So that's two significant figures. Again, these don't count. I start counting here. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3. 3,547, sorry. Well, start counting from the first non-zero and keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the last two numbers end with zeros in them. So they could be placeholding zeros, or they could be numbers that tell us about the accuracy and quantity of this number. So attendance at our match was approximately 3,000. Well, it's approximately 3,000. Normally, when you're going to give an attendance like that, you probably just round it to the nearest 1,000. So the 3 is important, but these are just placeholding. That's to make sure that it is 3,000, not 30 or 300. Okay, so this has one significant figure. Well, the 200 pennies in £2 has to be 200 pennies. Can't be 199, can't be 190 or 220. So these are all significant numbers. So the answer to this one is 3.